Hi, in this group of videos, we will have full answers for questions from 1 to 30 multiple choice question that doesn't depend on graphing calculators. Not allowed to use graphing calculators. So first question, integrate x squared over 4 dx. What choice? What you need to do is to take 1/4 out, and as we know, we add 1 to the power to be x to the third over 3, and we have 1/4 outside. That's plus constant. So x exponent 2 plus 1, that's the new exponent, divide by the new exponent, times 1/4. Then it will be x to the third times 1 is x to the third. 3 times 4 is 12, plus constant. So the correct answer is B. Now we're going to go over question 2. Question 2, which of the following is an equation of the line tangent to the graph of y equals cosine x at x equals pi over 2? What we need to do, just to remind you that we had before in Algebra 2, if you want to write an equation of a line, it will be y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. We'll take it easy and simple. So we need to fill out 3 spots here. We need to find out the slope. We need to get x1, and we need to get y1. Okay, so x1 we have it, which is pi over 2. So x minus pi over 2. And y1, to get y1, just plug it in, pi over 2 in here. For x, substitute for pi over 2. Then it will be y equals cosine pi over 2. Pi over 2 is 90, and cosine 90 is the same as sine 0, which is 0. So this is 0. So this will be a 0 here. And we still have the slope. How to find the slope? The slope is the derivative of y with respect to x at the given point. The given point is pi over 2 and 0. So we need to find that. We need to find the derivative at pi over 2. Let's do that here. So the derivative of cosine, as we know, is negative sine. So the derivative will be negative sine x. And we want to evaluate it at pi over 2 and 0. So to evaluate it at pi over 2 and 0, substitute for x equals pi over 2. So it will be negative sine pi over 2. And you know pi over 2, sine pi over 2 is 1. So it will be negative 1. So the slope here will be negative 1. So negative 1 times x minus pi over 2. And here will be y. Distribute negative to be negative x plus pi over 2. So y equals negative x plus pi over 2, which is C. The answer is C. The correct answer is C.